to myself I could hold your own existence. So here I am in the abyss. Are you really in this place? It's like the emptiness of space. I could search for all eternity and never see your face. Help me out. I'm lost without you standing, stuck on this impossible road. No idea which way to go, whichever path I choose, I lose, you know. And I don't know which way's home. I don't know which way's home. You always saw life as a game, but since you left, it sucks to play. I'm beaten up and bruised, confused by rules that alter every day. Where to next? You left, but I'm still standing, spinning on this infinite road, terrified of letting you go. No light above, and there's no hope below. And I don't know which way's home. Lying on my heart in my hand. Just speak to me and I'll understand. One little word to know I'm not alone. Show me the way back home. Is there a way back home? The nothingness ahead of me. Is this the end you meant for me? Every living minute, there's no home without you in it. I'm falling, quit stalling. Your daughter is calling your name. I burned all my bridges and came.
Lydia! Thank God! Come on, we have to go home!
We don't have a home,
Don't say that. Look, I know things have been difficult.
but we're moving forward, right? That's our answer for everything. Move forward, feel nothing. Well, here we are, Dad. You got what you wanted. And in this abyss of nothing.
You think this is what I want? I never said I
You
want.
never say anything! She was my whole world. And she left us. And you won't even say her name.
Because it hurts too much! She was my world too, Lydia. That's why I've been trying so hard to build a new one.
There's no one in it. We left each other behind. You're all alone.
You're right. God, you know, your mother knew this was going to happen. I mean, not this. I don't think anyone could have predicted this, but a few nights before the end. Emily took my hand. And she said, I know you want to fix it, but we just have to hold on to each other and live through it. I thought she was talking about us. But I think she was talking about us.
I don't want to forget her. I'm scared I'm going to forget her. Promise, we can talk about her.
Anytime you want.
Let's go home.
That demon with the stupid hair, he'll be waiting for us.
Oh, I almost feel bad for him.
Why?
He's the loneliest guy I ever met. And that's how we're gonna beat him. work. Now let's draw that door.
Oh, I just have to go get the chalk.
I hid it in case those dancing football players found me. They were so fast. So much poise.